You ready?
All right, I think we're ready to bomb it.
Oh,
Let's
wait.
bomb it. Bomb it.
Lizard, loaf of bread.
I have no idea what I'm doing wrong with this freaking thing. It does this, and then it works, and then it does this, and then it works. There isn't anything in there besides soapy water and a green onion. I have no idea. I am going to cry.
Hi guys.
I have a very serious matter.
The trash disposal isn't working.
The garbage disposal is being
Look at this Bulbasaur pin I got.
Okay, so
I love
let's go to the garbage disposal. Hold on. Okay, so it looks fine.
Sound like it was working.
It does sound like it's working now. Okay, turn it back on. I feel like, never mind. Wait. So look.
Oh.
No, look.
Oh, what is that?
Turn it back on. Nope.
That's like spinach or something.
Okay, turn it off. Hurry. It's green onion. I made chicken fried rice with green onion. There's no reason that a little bit of green onion does that. So we are going to do a baking soda bomb
Oh my God.
in
I'm excited and also scared.
the garbage disposal. We are going to bomb the disposal. We just have to wait for all of this to go down. So, we'll be back. For you of those who don't know, I actually fixed the furnace all by myself. I did what are you doing? I thought we were going to put it on your backpack or something. Anyways, I fixed the furnace by myself. I cleaned I don't even remember, flame sensor and the...
You can put it on my backpack.
Okay. Whatever else it is, that other little stick freaking thing. I fixed that by myself.
Look at my shirt. Oh my God.
So I'm going to fix this disposal by myself too.
Well, I thought I was going to help you.
Oh, with Brady's help for sure. I can't do it without Brady. So, here's where we're at. It's still kind of got stuff in there. So we have to wait for it to go away, and then we're going to baking soda bomb it.
It's going to explode and blow up the house.
So,
You got that chair.
I'm going to try to get whatever
You got that chair.
might be
Mama, you got
in
that
there
chair.
out without putting my hand in there because it freaks me the frick out. This is just green onion. Like, what the hell? Can it not handle a little bit of...
Oh, wait, guys, let me show you my Among Us.
Okay, so I feel like the...
Like you said you're going to blur it out.
Oh, maybe not. I was going to say, I feel like the water's receded. Frick. Okay. So it obviously did not like green onion. I may have put I may have put a couple of eggshells down there today too, since I made chicken fried rice. But it didn't do that until I did the green onion. Oh, wait, there's something else. Okay, let's just keep on.
And also the power went out last night.
It did, but this has done this before, and...
It's done this before?
Yes. And when I did the baking soda bomb, it worked. So, look at that was on Thanksgiving. No, yes, I did it with the ice too, but I didn't do a baking soda bomb then. That just, I have no idea what that was about.
It literally helps.
This garbage disposal hates me, okay?
No, I think it's just,
This thing hates me. Brady,
What?
don't do that.
It
It hates me. It literally hates me.
It didn't hurt me.
Well, I know, but still, I'm just saying.
I was trying to make me stop. You got that out?
This thing really, truly hates me. It just hates me. Brady, does it not hate me? It hates me. Okay, let's see where we are. All right. There's... You just made me laugh. Okay. Oh. All right, so if I turn it on... Oh, it's spraying everywhere. Okay, let's not do that. Okay, again. Oh, not ready yet. Still got some water in her. All right, we're going to take a pause while we put some baking soda down in it, and then we're going to vinegar it.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Absolutely. And we're going to bomb it with some vinegar and baking soda.
Yes.
And hopefully clean it. Wait, how'd that go? Yes. You sounded like a demon. You sounded literally like a demon. Well, I know, but it was like a dynamic burp.
I feel like if Bill Cipher has a voice changer, it would sound like that. And him saying yes would be like that.
Like what?
Yes.
All right, let's see where we are. Oh, nope, still got water in there.
Yeah.
Jesus. Wow.
No
Okay.
way, Jose.
Why does it hate me?
You ready?
All right, I think we're ready to bomb it.
Oh,
Let's
wait.
bomb it. Bomb it.
Lizard, loaf of bread.
Okay, so what we need to do is take some of the baking soda and put it in there. And then we're going to pour a bunch of baking soda in there. So, or vinegar, my bad. Listen. Okay, hang on. I need to do this. We're going to get one of these little guys.
Mom, look at this.
That little.
Mom,
What?
want to see a magic trick? Can I put it in?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Pour it like right in there, like in it. Okay, do another one here. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay, you ready?
Oh, yeah. smells like Easter.
I know, because that's how you make eggs with vinegar. Ew. It's so gross.
It smells like Easter. I love it. I'm literally in Korea.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, look at that.
Ew, why is it gross? Oh, wait. Cold water.
Looks like milk.
Yep, nope, I quit. It's not funny.
No, it's laughing from the bubbles.
I know, but I don't know why I killed the garbage disposal. I did nothing to it. I think you want taps. Not OC, can you see like taps like you know what I mean? Like when somebody dies. I don't know. We should ask Gigi. Anyways, obviously the bomb did not work, so we're just gonna go to bed.
No. We're going to do another explosion that Miss Gagman teach me. And we're going to search it up because I forgot how to do it. Okay?
Okay, bye. Bye.